Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are patching well and safe during this critical moment, coronavirus. Yet, we should continue our study during this period. We must keep safe and follow the rules so that we may not be attacked by this virus. Welcome. Presentation, Class 8, Subject, English second paper, Tense, presented by Romarani Shil, Assistant Teacher, SM Shiksha Niketan Govindpur, Moralganj, Baghat. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, student will learn about the definition of tense, classification of tenses. Lesson declaration. So our today's topic is tense. Definition. When a verb is finished, that time is called tense. Example, he eats rice. Definition and classification. Can anyone say the definition and classification of tense? Tense is the change of form in a verb to expresses the time of attention. There are three kinds of tense. They are present tense, 1, 2 past tense, 3 future tense. Look at the pictures and try to make present, past and future tense. Students, look at the picture. I read in this school. Present, past, I was a student of this school. 3. I shall read, future, I shall read in this school. Remember it easily. Each tense is classified into 4 and 3. Thus are present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense 1. প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সকে আবার 4টি ফর্মে ভাগ করছে প্রত্যেকটা টেন্সকে। পাস্ট টেন্সকেও 4টি ফর্ম, ফিউচার টেন্সকেও 4টি ফর্ম, যেমন প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট, প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট, পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, পাস্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Tense. Name of tense, name of the present, structure. Example, present indefinite. Rule, subject plus verb plus present plus object, subject plus amizer plus verb, present plus gerund ing plus object. Then I am a student. Present continuous. I am reading a book. Present perfect, subject plus have has plus verb plus past participle form plus object. I have read a book. Present continuous, subject plus have has been plus verb, present form plus ing plus object. I have been reading a book for 3 hours. Past indefinite, subject plus verb, past plus object. I was a child. Past continuous, subject plus verb past, subject plus where plus verb, present ing plus object. I was reading a book. Past perfect, subject plus had plus verb, past participle form plus object. I had read a book. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus verb, present form plus ing plus object. I had been reading a book for 3 hours. Future indefinite, subject plus shall will, verb present plus object. I shall be a doctor. Future continuous, subject plus shall be will be plus verb. I shall be reading a book. Future perfect, subject plus shall have, has plus verb, past participle form plus object. I shall have read a book. Future perfect continuous, subject plus shall, will, have plus oblique has been plus verb, present form plus object, verb लगे एनजी जो plus object. I shall have been reading a book for 3 hours. Homework, home tasks, write 12 forms of tense. Dear students, thanks everybody. No more today. See you next time. We should maintain social distance and frequently we should wash our hands after sometimes. Good morning. Goodbye, dear students. Thank you.